David, thank you very much for joining us and answering a few questions. Could we start off just with the first question? Why is worker safety so important?
Well, we're all workers. Everyone is a worker. ISO standard, which drives change in organisations and how they manage, is seen as a really good vehicle for improving workplace performance and hopefully reducing these terrible statistics.
How will its adoption impact small and medium-sized enterprises?
I think it can help. With the new structure that we have in ISO management standards, it integrates with them. And so 45001 on health and safety will integrate with their quality and environmental system to help the organisation manage its risks. And organisations have to manage their risks to exist in order to thrive and survive.
And what will the new ISO 45000 mean for the users of 18001?
Well, that is an interesting question, as they all were. I think this standard will definitely be better. It has very great strength on leadership and worker participation that could add value. And it would be nice to see people who have 18001 moving forward and seeing this as a next step, the next evolution, next step of continual improvement. The biggest thing that affects organisations today in many ways is reputation. And you do not want to be seen to be using a company that does not care for its workers. So every country needs to buy into this, and every organisation does in the longer term, because they will be under the spotlight when some disaster occurs or it is very evident you're not looking after your workers. It will become public knowledge. And if you get that into public knowledge, that affects your reputation, and that may mean loss of credibility in the marketplace. People may not buy your goods, your services. So all countries should take an active part in this, because we're all part of one big supply chain, one big world.